Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to be doing the N2 Deep rear diff brace on this 2022 Yamaha Grizzly. It's pretty quick and easy. I'll take you guys along for the ride, show what it looks like afterwards. I painted mine in gray to get as close as I can to match the gray. It's hard to match the high-vis yellow. I have not found a paint color that matches. If you guys know what color that works good, let me know so I can get it, so I can do a little bit of yellow matching. Otherwise, for now, we're just going to do gray or black. First thing we're going to do is remove these two bolts. They are 14 millimeters. We'll pop those out, and then we got two 12 millimeter bolts, the two at the back that we'll have to pop off. So after you get all the hardware off, either slip this piece of bumper brackets here or that go up to the rack. Use your existing hardware. You have two that'll go through there, and then your other two will go through the side there into the diff to brace it. All right, as you can see, so what I always do is I hand start all my bolts. After all of them are hand tightened, then I go through and tighten them with a wrench. That's what the final install looks like. Quick and easy one for you guys. Hope this helps some of you guys out. Obviously, not a hard one, quick and easy. Not too much more to do to the Grizzly, just looking for a set of wheels and tires. If you guys have any good ideas on what you think would be a good set of tires on here, let me know. As of right now, I am running the Highlifter Outlaws. Mine are getting a little down there on tread. As you can see, they were just a used set I picked up off Facebook Marketplace. Nothing special, but they got the job done for now. So yeah, let me know what you guys want to see. Got some riding coming up. I know 3 weeks from now, gonna hit a local ATV park finally, as long as the weather stays nice. And then we got another ride with 815 Off-Road Adventure. Should be meeting up with us here in Wisconsin. It should be a fun ride. Get in some mud, get in the little trails, see what kind of fun we get into. Big shout out to everyone that sent, or all the parts that we have put on this so far. We have obviously N2 Deep with the rear brace. Hopefully get a snorkel kit from them. That's one thing on my list to get. Powermadd handguards up front, and then Bronson from 815 Off-Road Adventures with the mud strap there. Awesome, love that thing. Nilight, we have the LED light bar up front. Rubber Down Customs came through with the awesome rad cover, or rad relocate kit. Love that, looks awesome on the machine. And then can't forget my RJWC exhaust. Sounds phenomenal, looks great. I got a little muddy the other day, washed it. Thing looks brand new again. It's amazing how good that aluminum cleans up. We should have to keep up with it and keep it looking nice. But that's what the RJWC looks like even after a little mud ride. Honestly, I just sprayed it off with soapy water at a car wash, and that's how good it turned out. But yeah, there's the mud strap. Coming handy this year. Powermadd handguards in the same gray that I painted the diff brace. And absolutely love the way that rad relocate looks. Very happy with it. Rubber Down Customs did a killer job on that. Again, let me know your thoughts on wheels and tires. I've always ran Sedonas, been very happy with them. Very well may go that route again, but I'm also willing to try something new. Now, get out and ride, everyone. Enjoy your machines. Let me know what you want to see. And please subscribe.